Hello, the class of the 9th student. Today we will read the poem Wind from the book of Beehive. Let's read the poem. Wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. In the first extract, the poet described about the wind and request to the wind, don't come, the wind, come softly and do not scatter the book, papers and do not break the windows. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the book. You brought rain again. Here, in the next extract, the poet complains to the wind. See, you have break the shutters of the wind and tore the pages of the book, and you also brought the rain again. You are very clever of poking fun at weaklings. Poking fun. Making fun. Fun at breaking, frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, and crumbling earth. In this extract, the poet requests and complains to the wind that you have break the weak houses and weak hearts, weak rafters and weak wood. You have also break the weak hearts. The wind God knows and crushes them all. He wants to do what you tell him. Yes, the poet next extract describes that wind also helps the winnowing. Winnowing, to separate the grain from the chaff. Help to separate the grain from the chaff and crushes them all. He wants to do what you tell him. I have requested to you. The poet denotes next. But you have do all that thing that I have requested to you. Don't do like this work. So, come, let's build strong houses. Let's join the door firmly. Practice to firm the body, make the heart steadfast. And the poet now said to the pupil that we have need to build a strong house and strong windows, and we had joined the firmly of the doors, and we have to make our heart bold. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. If we work like this, the wind is our friend. Wind will be our friend. The wind blows out break fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Now the last extract of the poem, the poet said, if we do, if we build our house strong and we will make our heart strong, the wind will be our friend and wind also help the blows the fire and wind God is our friend and we have to praise him every day. Now, let's the summary of the poem. See, on the whiteboard, the poem opens with the poet requesting the wind to come softly. The wind is not just the force of nature. The implication is of any difficulty we face in life and how it can harm. The poet describes how wind breaks shutters of windows, throws down books on the shelf, destroys frail houses, and blows out big fires. But it does not have any effect on the strong houses, and it makes strong fires stronger. The weak always suffers assault. The underlying theme is an urge for the weak to be strong. We need to have a strong body and a steadfast heart to move on with life. Now, see the exercise. Question number first. What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? The wind breaks shutter. Answer. The wind breaks shutter of the windows, scatters the books and papers, and breaks the frail houses. Second question. Have you seen anybody winnows grain? You have not to do this work, this question. Now question number third. What does the poet say the wind god winnows? What does the poet say the wind god winnows? The poet says the wind god knows the big houses, doors, books and papers. Now you have to do question number 3, question number 4 and 5 are your homework. Question number 4 and 5, your poem is now completed.